So we will be doing it again, but now this time we will use horizontal strip naman. So kanina we use vertical strip. So ulit, graph muna natin yung curve. So x and y axis. This is our y axis. Oh. Then, yung x axis natin. 0. Nandito yung 1, dito yung 2. Diba? If x natin is 0, y is also 0. Diyan yung point na yan. If x natin is 1, y is equals to 2 times 1. Diba? Y is equals to the square root ng 2x. If x natin is 1, square root ng 2. Square root ng 2 is 1 point something. So, if x natin is 2, square root ng 4. So, square root ng 4 is plus or minus 2. X natin is 2. So, dito din dapat. Plus or minus 2. Plus, dyan yung plus 2, dito yung minus 2. So, 2, 1. 0, 1, 2. So, ditong part yung 1. So, pag rinap natin, ganito siya. Yung curve natin. And then, yung line natin na x is equals to 2. So, yung x is equals to 2 is this line. Ulit. Ito yung palagay na natin na ito yung x is equals to 2 natin. So, itong point na to is yung point 2 and 2. Ito point 0 and 0. Kanina, we used vertical strip. This time, gamitin naman natin is horizontal strip sa paggawa ng pag-estimate natin ng centroid. So, we now use so what if ganyan na? Horizontal strip yung gagamitin natin. So, assume natin na nandito yung centroid natin. This time, yung YC natin, diba? Ito na yung YC natin. And then, ito na yung X sub C natin. So, kung napansin nyo, yung X sub C, that is just equal sa midpoint nitong strip natin. So, nabaliktad na. Kanina yung Y sub C yung midpoint. Ngayon, ito naman yung midpoint natin, which is equal to the X sa right plus X sa left divided by 2. So, yung X sa right natin is this one, which is X is equals to 2. So, yung X natin dito sa left, that is equal to simply just X. Kasi yan yung X dito sa point na to. So, kung kukunin natin yung galing dun sa area natin na area x bar is equals to integral ng x sub c dA. So, nakuha natin yung area kanina. Yung area kanina, area is equal to 8 over 3 square units. Kasi kahit pahiga, horizontal strip, same area ang makukuha natin dyan. So, ito in terms of dy. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung same area. dy tapos ito yung total length ng strip natin. So, kung napansin, if from here hanggang dito is 2, tapos ito mula dito is x. So, di ba ito is 2 minus x yung length ng strip natin. So, differential area is equals to 2 minus x times dy. Okay? So, area is equal to integral ng 2 minus x dy is equal to limit natin along y. So, mula dito hanggang dito, which is also 0 to 2. Okay? So, integral from 0 to 2 ng 2 dy minus ng value ng x natin from here, that is equal to y squared over 2 dy. Okay? So, may integral din tayo dyan. So, labas natin 2 integral ng dy from 0 to 2 minus, labas natin yung 1 half integral ng y squared dy. So, integral ng dy, that is just simply 2y limit from 0 to 2 minus 1 half times integral ng y squared, that is y cubed over 3 times limit, applying limits from 0 to 2. Now, using our calculator, magiging na siyang 2 times 2 minus 0, which is upper minus lower, minus 1 half times upper natin. Upper is quantity ng 2 minus 0 cube, sala. 2 minus 0 cube over 3. Close parenthesis. Is equal. So, same. Area natin is 8 over 3 square units. Now, palit natin dito. Ano yung equivalent natin ng XC? So, our XC now will be yung midpoint nito, which is x to the right plus x dun sa left divided by 2. So, x to the right natin, ito. So, 2 plus x to the left is just simply yung x natin, all over 2. So, ito na yung xc, siya ipapalit natin dito. So, yung a, nakuha din natin. So, ito, yung mangyayari, magiging na siyang 8 over 3 x bar. Dapat yung makukuha natin na x bar, same nung kanina. So, integral ng x is 2 plus x over 2 dA natin, so dA, that is equal to 2 minus x dy. So, 2 minus x dy. So, simplifying, magiging na siyang 8 over 3 x bar is equals to the integral ng 2 plus x. So, ilabas natin yung 2 dito, labas natin, magiging siyang 1 half dyan. So, 2 plus x times 2 minus x dy. So, simplifying this, sum and difference of binomials, magiging 1 half integral. Anong limit natin? Mula sa 0 hanggang 2. Since naka-dy tayo. 0 to 2. So, simplifying, magiging siyang 4 minus x squared dy. Okay? So, palitan natin yung dy. So, from y is equals to, y squared is equals to 2x. X is equals to y squared over 2. Palit natin dito. Magiging siyang 8 over 3x bar is equals to 1 half. Integral from 0 to 2 ng 4 minus x natin is y squared over 2. So, y squared over 2. Tapos, naka-square pa yan. dy. Okay? Wait, wala yung close parenthesis natin. Close parenthesis, dy. So, simplifying, magiging siyang 1 half integral from 0 to 2 ng 4 minus y squared raised to 2 is y raised to 4 over 2 squared is 4 dy. Now, integrate 1 by 1. Magiging siyang 8 over 3 x bar is equals to 1 half integral. So, yung 4 ilabas na natin. 4 times dy from 0 to 2 minus 1 half. Itong 4 sa baba, ilabas natin. Kaya magpo 4 times 2 is 8. So, integral ng y raised to 4 dy from 0 to 2. Okay, so integrating, Nangyayari, magiging na siyang 8 over 3 x bar is equals to 4 over 2 is 2. Integral ng dy is y. Limit is from 0 to 2. Minus 1 over 8. Integral ng y raised to 4 is y raised to 5 over 5. Power formula. From 0 to 2. Now, divide natin both sides by 8 over 3. Para makancel yan, makukuha natin yung x bar natin to be using our calculator plus AC. Okay? So, 2 times yung y dito, palit na natin sa 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 close parenthesis minus, okay, so i-close parenthesis ito sa parenthesis. Fraction 1 over 8 times fraction 2 minus 0 is just simply 2 raised to 5 all over 5. Close parenthesis, another close parenthesis, all over 8 over 3. Pressing equal, makukuha natin yung x bar natin to be 6 over 5. So, the same nung x bar natin kanina. Kahit alin gamitin natin. Now, kung kukunin naman natin yung y bar, balik tayo sa figure. Diba ito na yung yc natin. So, yung yc natin is just simply y. Kasi siya yung height mula dito sa 0 hanggang dun sa height na y natin. So, galing dun sa formula na dito na tayo. A y bar is equal to the integral ng yc differential area mula sa limits with depends dun sa differential area. So, A natin is 8 over 3. Y bar is equals to the integral ng yc is just simply y. So, yun yung height. And yung differential area natin, yung differential area natin. So, galing dito. Differential area is 2 minus x dy. So, dA natin is 2 minus x dy. Okay? So, distribute natin, magiging siyang 8 over 3 y bar is equals to the integral ng 2y dy minus integral ng xy dy. Anong limit? 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So, mangyayari magiging 8 over 3 y bar is equals to the integral 0 to 2. Tapos natin yung 2. Y dy minus x is equal to what? X is equals to y squared over 2. So, palit natin. Magiging siyang integral 0 to 2 ng y squared over 2 times y dy. So, ilabas natin yung 1/2 dito. So, 8 over 3 y bar is equals to 2 integral ng y dy 0 to 2 minus 0 to 2. Oh, ilabas pala natin yung 1/2. So, 1/2 integral 0 to 2 ng y squared times y is y cubed dy. Now, lahat na yan may integrate. Power formula na lang yan. So, 8 over 3y bar is equals to 2. Ito magiging y squared over 2. Limit from 0 to 2. Minus 1/2. Integral ng y cube is y raised to 4 over 4. Limit from 0 hanggang 2. Okay? So, using our calculator, divide natin both sides by 8 over 3. Okay? Using our calculator, makukuha natin yung y bar na. Dapat same dun sa sagot natin kanina dun sa y bar natin. So, fraction, close parenthesis, 2 times 2 squared. Okay, fraction. So, nasa taas yung 2 minus 0 natin. Okay, bukasan natin ang parenthesis dito. Nasa brown. 2 minus 0 raised to 2 all over 2. So, ito na yan. Minus 1/2 times fraction y raised to 4. 2 minus 0 raised to 4 all over 4. Careful sa pag-input. All over 8 over 3. Kung di pa gamay mag-input, input nyo isa-isa. So, that is equal to 3 over 4 yung y bar natin. So, same procedure, same process. Yung kuha nating sagot are the same.